shop, we have a brand new 4-in-1 tool. It's called the Sew Standard Seam Guide, and it comes packaged just like this, and I'm going to show you how to use it. I keep the Sew Standard Seam Guide right by my sewing machine, and if I am working on a quilt that has a lot of pieces, I might look at this and say, is this 2-inch or 2.5 inch? So I've got it right here and I can measure that it's 2.5. So it's a great little tool to have by your sewing machine to measure small pieces. We can also use this to set your stitch. So if you want to set your stitch to a 1/4 inch seam, you just put your needle down into the 1/4 inch mark, put your foot down, and you can use our beautiful washi tape designed by Lori Holt, or we have other washi tape online, and you can just mark your stitch. So then when you're sewing, you just put your fabric right on this edge and you know you've got a 1/4 inch. And if you want to take it even further, if you put about 12 layers of washi tape right on top, it will create a guide that is thicker that you can just run right through your machine. You can also use this when putting on your binding. We have a little plus sign on the edge of the ruler that measures exactly a 1/4 inch from each side, and if you put this on the edge of your binding and put a little mark with your pencil, that is where you pivot to turn on your binding. You can also use this ruler to mark from corner to corner when you are marking your half square triangles. So pick up your Sew Standard Seam Guide today and it will be a useful tool in your sewing studio.